This video will go over how to review and approve well maintenance information in FUDSChem. This data may be approved by a core geologist, your Synectics point of contact, or someone else, depending on your district. Our well maintenance info entry tutorial video, linked in the description, goes over how to enter this data. To review well maintenance information data, go to Reports, Geology Reports, Well Maintenance Information Review, Excel format. Choose the project, the site, the event, and the file you want to review. You can further filter down to a specific location or choose specific maintenance types. Click View Report. The report includes the locations that received maintenance, the date of maintenance, and the maintenance type. Some maintenance activities result in a change to the measuring point elevation or surface elevation, which are included here. Remarks give additional detail. This report can be exported to Excel for ease of review by clicking on the floppy disk icon. Note that for columns containing valid values, the values are described in a footer at the bottom of the report. It is especially important to create a well maintenance information record for any activities that change the measuring point elevation or ground surface elevation, to ensure hydrogeologic calculations using these elevations are performed correctly. In the case of a change in elevation, like we are reviewing here, the measuring point elevation and ground surface elevation fields should both be populated. The circumstances surrounding the change, as well as whether the change occurred naturally or via human intervention, should be included in the remarks. As part of our review, we would compare the report to any hard copy forms available to make sure the information is accurate. In this case, we will say everything is looking good and move on. After your review, go to Tools, Data Approval. Choose the project and select Well Maintenance Information as the file type. If the file needs to be backed out for edits, click the green back arrow. This will uncertify the file so it can be edited under Tools, Data Submission. Be sure to let the person who entered the data know what needs to be edited. If the file does not need any edits, click the notepad icon. A pop-up will allow you to optionally include a reason for approval. Click Approve File. Once approved, the data is available under Reports, Geology Reports, Well Maintenance Information, Excel format. Once the well maintenance info file has been approved, the elevations entered in this file will supersede any previously entered well completion or well maintenance information in future hydrogeologic calculations. For more information, please refer to our well completion information entry tutorial video, linked in the description. The measuring point elevation entered in this file will also automatically populate as the measuring point for this location when entering groundwater measurements through the FUDSChem interface, so that the correct elevation will be referenced in future groundwater elevations. For more information, please refer to our groundwater level entry tutorial video, linked in the description. As a final step, any hard copy documentation should be approved in the library under Tools, Library File Submission. For more information, please refer to our library review tutorial video, linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.